and welcome to Delightful, Delicious, Delovely. My name is Christina Elise, and today I'm going to be making a vegan chicken and eggplant casserole, or a pastaless chicken and eggplant lasagna, or a baked chicken and eggplant dish. I'm just sort of making it up. I made it up a couple weeks ago for a friend, and now I'm presenting it to you guys here. I made this all the way through yesterday in a smaller, about half the size but twice as deep casserole pan, so like that big but twice as deep, before I realized that it wasn't recording. So I left it uncooked and put it in the freezer, and now I'm making it again. Sorry I have been not very prolific on this channel lately. I've just been dealing with a lot of stuff. Had a birthday, parents were in town, my Dexter died in January, and just sort of, struggling. Lucho, my little half-faced boy from Uruguay, got adopted to a great family in the next neighborhood from me, so I'm happy that for him. That's good news. But I've been just dealing with a lot of negativity. A lot of people just attacking me randomly, threatening suicide. People I don't even know. They thank me for accepting their friend request on Facebook and then tell me they want to commit suicide, or they're in love with Supergirl, or I'm a fucking stupid cunt. Like literally, I get some pretty intense rants, and they should have been just like, I don't know, the holidays brought out shit in people, but I've really been having quite a deluge of people feeling the need to come out of the woodwork and tell me how much they hate me. And if I block them, they just track me down on Twitter or Instagram or some other platform and berate me there. So it's been taking a bit of a toll, I have to admit. And I haven't been doing a lot of this as a result. It's been sort of navigating life and trying to keep my head above the water. So yesterday I made homemade arrabbiata, which is spicy tomato sauce. I made it from scratch with, I sauteed some garlic in olive oil for about a minute. Then I added a bunch of tomato sauce and some, 4 cups or so of tomato sauce. And then I added a bit of dry basil, dry oregano, dry thyme, and sauteed it in some crushed red pepper. And I made it with that. I also grilled eggplant. I took a whole eggplant and I cut it into slices that are about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch thick. You can see it's smoking because I just grilled it on my stove. Grill it on one side, flip it over, grill it on the other side, just to get that spongy texture out of the eggplant. You could do that in a pan as well, a grill pan or just on a pan. Just get it so it's not got that super spongy texture. Here I have 2 boxes of Boca vegan spicy chicken patties. Says vegan right on the box. I have 8 of them, so there's 4 in a box. I have 8, and I have some sliced up Miyoko's vegan Maz. There's an 8-ounce thing of this, and I have a bowl here of shredded vegan mozzarella. Use whatever your favorite brand is. I had this grated up, just a regular Ziploc, so I don't remember what brand it was. I'm pretty sure it wasn't Daiya though, because I don't like Daiya, but. Anyway, so I have 8 ounces of shredded vegan mozzarella here, 8 ounces of sliced up vegan fresh mozzarella here. And so this is very simple. I have the oven heating to 350. I'm going to put a little tomato sauce in the bottom of this pan. I hope I don't need a second jar of sauce. That would be excessive, but we'll see if I can't make this work. All right, so a little sauce in the bottom. Since I have twice as much egg, I'm going to go 1 layer of chicken on the bottom. And then I'm going to, what should I do? I guess I'll do a layer. I'm going to do all the eggplant I'm going to do in 1 layer. Some of this, as you saw, there was not chicken, didn't cover the whole bottom of this pan. I'm going to try to, wherever the chicken didn't cover in this first layer, I'm going to put it on the second layer. All the eggplant can go in here. Okay. Now I'm going to do all of this Miyoko's vegan Maz in a layer here. It seems like a lot of cheese, but vegan cheese, but okay. And now I'm going to do, I should do a little sauce on there, a layer of sauce. Yeah, why not? A little bit of layer of sauce. I'll just pour some on here. Just as long as I have enough to. It's about half the jar I've used. How much is this? This is a 24-ounce jar. Just sort of spread that a little bit around. Then add the last chicken patties. Try to put them where maybe it was less chicken last time around. I should have done it all on one level, on one layer, I guess. All right. So what that looks like. It looks very different, crooked. Now I'm going to cover that with the rest of the sauce. You know, I liked yesterday's version better. I like the smaller casserole pan, more like almost a loaf pan, like a ceramic loaf pan that I made this in yesterday. Just going to make sure there's some sauce on everything. Yeah, it definitely would be better. It's smaller and thicker. And now I'm just going to spread some of this grated cheese on top. I used about half of this cheese that's in here. So many brands of vegan cheese now, it's really great. Not every store carries them all, obviously, but there's a health food store here in Los Angeles called Lassen's that has a pretty awesome selection of vegan everything. Oddly, they put the real meat in the same case with, there'll be a bunch of whatever, Beyond Meat or Boca or Gardein stuff. And then on the same shelf will be chicken nuggets, but they're real chicken nuggets. I don't understand when people put those things so close proximity. But anyway, that is it really. I'm going to bake this at 350 for 45 minutes, or maybe 30 to 45 minutes until that cheesy gets melted. And then when it's time to serve it, I'm going to put some fresh basil. I'm going to shred some fresh basil on top of it, and that's going to be it. That is it. That is my recipe for whatever the hell this is. What the fuck I want to call it. I guess I'll call it a chicken eggplant casserole. Chicken and grilled eggplant casserole. All right, with that, try to be nice to people out there. So much bad going on. There's no reason to add to it. And also, everybody's going through some struggles that you're unaware of. Everybody. Every single person's got some shit going on that's weighing them down. So try to be respectful of that, even if you have no idea what that problem could possibly be. I'll get off my soapbox now. Please subscribe, and I hope you enjoy this. And yeah, until next time. Thanks.